We're here to guide you through installing and activating your eSIM card on an Android device such as Samsung and Xiaomi. Grab your device and make sure you have a stable internet connection such as Wi-Fi or mobile data. To install an eSIM card, go to Settings, Connections, and then SIM Card Manager. Under eSIMs, tap on Add Mobile Plan. Here you have two options. To install a QR code, you have to either print the QR code on paper or have it open on another device. Either way, tap on the Scan Carrier QR code and position the QR code in the center of the camera scanner, and within a few seconds, the data plan will be recognized. The other way is to activate the eSIM plan manually. From the QR code scanning window, tap on Enter Activation Code. Now open your email app and find the Android activation code we sent to you after you purchased your plan on our website. Copy and paste the manual activation code from the email and tap on Connect. If the code was valid, you should receive a final prompt. Just tap on Confirm, and within a few seconds, the eSIM will be installed. At this stage, your eSIM card is installed. To easily recognize the newly installed eSIM plan, we recommend changing its name. To add a custom name label, go back to SIM Card Manager, select the newly installed eSIM package and tap on Name. We recommend labeling it as eSIM Surf. Destination. Before entering the destination country, it's time to activate your eSIM card. Again, go to Settings, Connections, and then SIM Card Manager. Under Preferred SIM cards, you will see a mobile data option. Select your newly installed eSIM card as the default choice. If your plan offers mobile number support, you can also choose it as the default plan for calls and messages. Lastly, if you have both a SIM and an eSIM card active at the same time, it's very important to disable the Auto Data Switching option to avoid expensive roaming fees. Congratulations! Your eSIM Surf's eSIM is now active and your device is connected to the internet. If you get stuck or need extra help, make sure to reach out to eSIM Surf support team. We'd be glad to help.